The next great event which will be discussed is mentioned in the narrations found in Sahih Bukhari, numbers 3667 and 3668. This is when the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, decided to elect Abu Bakkar Siddique, may Allah be pleased with him, as the first Caliph of Islam. An important lesson to learn from this great event is the importance of supporting others in matters of good. It is clear from this and other narrations that Abu Bakkar Siddique, may Allah be pleased with him, advised the people to choose someone else as their caliph. In fact, he even named Umar bin Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him. This was the perfect opportunity for Umar bin Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, to take the important role as the first representative of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, without any arguments or problems. But he chose to do the right thing and help the Muslim nation by appointing the best person for the role. He did not worry that if he supported someone else, his rank and social status would be reduced or he would be forgotten. In fact, his honor and social status only grew after this right choice. Unfortunately, many Muslims and even Islamic institutions do not behave in this manner. They often only support those they have a relationship with, instead of helping anyone who does something good. They behave as if their social status will be reduced if they support others in good things. Some have fallen even lower and support their friends and relatives in bad things, and fail to support strangers who are doing good. This is a major reason why the Islamic community has weakened over time. The companions, may Allah be pleased with them, were small in number, but always fulfilled their duty by supporting each other in matters of good without worrying about anything else. Muslims must change their attitude and follow in their footsteps if they desire strength and respect in both worlds. One must observe what others are doing instead of who is doing it. If they are doing good, they should aid them according to their means, but if they are doing something bad, they should warn them against it and refuse to join in. There is no loyalty or obedience to people if it means disobedience to Allah, the Exalted. In fact, one's loyalty to others must only be rooted in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, irrespective of who they are dealing with. Chapter 5 Al-Ma'idah, verse 2.
And cooperate in righteousness and piety, but do not cooperate in sin and aggression.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.